Architects and designers rely on a wide variety of objects based on the latest trends in both residential and commercial projects to create powerful designs for their clients. Thanks to Archicad's continuously expanding 3D object libraries, and especially the highly customizable modular kitchen cabinetry, it's easier than ever to design kitchens that offer clients multiple design options to choose from. Kitchen cabinet elements are grouped by their spatial arrangements into 3 main categories: base, standing, and wall. Cabinets are further grouped into different geometries. For example, block, chamfered, closing, L, C, or S-shaped elements, making it easy to choose the one that best fits your project. Each element is highly parametric, containing a wide range of customizable components, such as the counters, panels, and knobs. It's easy to mix and match these to achieve the perfect result. Design any kitchen quickly and effortlessly using the Parametric modular kitchen cabinets. Simply place the elements, stretch them to the desired size, then customize their components. Experiment with different styles, make changes quickly and easily, and deliver multiple design options for your clients to choose from. To learn more about Archicad, visit graphisoft.com.